Why I signed up?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I was quite skeptical for a long time. I think I even DM'd you like a few months before I actually signed up.
Okay.
So,
Wait, I lost your visual.
oh, sorry. Yeah. So I DM'd you a few months before because I saw. Oh, is it still on? Okay. Yeah, I saw that you started like getting quite a lot more followers from like the football side of Instagram, and so and also I was sort of I was really feeling quite stiff, and I think I told you I had a bit of pain in my lower back, and I didn't feel that athletic. So I signed up, and yeah, that's it.
What was the part that you were skeptical with? Was it because the concept of fascia training is very new?
Yeah, I hadn't heard of it before, so I wasn't quite sure.
Right, right. And before trying the fascial training, the Hyperarch fascial training, what type of training did you have? You lifted weights, or what's the?
I lifted weights for a few months.
You lifted weights for a few months. Okay, so now you have a true comparison, right? Just like many of us,
Yeah.
we lifted weights before, and then we realized something that didn't work, and then now we're doing this. What is your experience like in the 12 weeks?
Yeah, it was good. So when I lifted weights, I couldn't feel my glutes. Like it was very, very little. I think when I first did a session with you, when I did towel curls, I felt like very little glutes response. I think I only felt one side, like a tiny bit. And now that's a lot better. I can feel a lot more now. And even when I'm running, it's like more powers coming from the sort of like the hips, not the like I don't really feel the quads.
So more power comes from the glutes now.
Yeah.
Great. Great. And what about you said you had a little bit of pain before when you started,
Yeah.
and how are you feeling now?
No pain.
No back pain. The back pain's gone.
Yeah, it's gone.
What week would you say it started to, you start to feel like the pain is going to just go away?
Maybe halfway.
Halfway, like 5, 6.
Yeah.
Perfect. And what do you feel about this? Do you have a better understanding now of the feet to the glutes fascial connection?
Yeah. I was skeptical, but now I can actually feel it. So
You can feel it, right? So you know, many people, even on the mainstream PT side, they think it's fake. They think the people who are doing it is faking it. Do you think this is fake?
no.
It's not fake. Well, if they just look at the EMG results, they will understand it's not fake. But unfortunately, that's how mainstreams are. That's why we're doing this work. We want to bring people into a different state and experiencing something that they never felt before. And then we can, you know, talk to mainstream and have them do more research. Clearly, there's something missing.
Yeah.
So very good. So have you get a chance to measure your running speed, or what have you seen with your on pitch performance?
Oh, my on pitch performance. Like I think before I started, we played 8 games in this season, and I had 0 goals. And now I think I've like 7 or 8.
Oh,
So
snap! 7 goals. So from a 0-goal season to a 7-goal season.
yeah.
Wow, that's huge. Did you hear that, Coach Ahmed?
Hey man, that's all him. That's all him right there.
Yeah, that's all him right there. That's crazy. Wait, what position are you playing?
I'm playing winger.
Winger. Okay. So the position stayed the same, but now you have 7 goals.
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. And which you are playing in the UK? What's the academy you're playing for?
Oh, it's a youth team. I play Oxford City.
Oh, okay. Got you. Well, we'll keep it up. I think you're gonna have a very good future.
Yeah.
Yeah, 7 goals from 0 to 7 goals. That's huge. That's huge.
Yes, absolutely. Now that your body has the ability to do the work, you now have more space in your mind to think and make decisions on the ball. Instead of having all this worry in your mind that, yeah, I'm going to pull something or I'm going to run this down the flank and going to pull my hamstring, that's out of the equation now. Your body's moving holistically and it's going to keep going. So let's keep it going like that.
Perfect. So, we always ask this question at the end. Do you recommend this training to other people?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's I think especially like if you don't really know what you're doing, it's like a very good starting point.